Hi guys, here is a very quick how-to video just to do once a week on your hair. During lockdown we obviously haven't been able to go to hairdressers, and I can't tell you the amazing difference that it has made to my hair. This is pre-hair mask. Excellent. So I'm going to show you how to make this easy to make little mask to change your hair's life. Awesome. Right, so the ingredients that you're going to need for this is some neem oil, some castor oil, some coconut oil, and an egg. Basically, you're going to use the egg white, and of course, a little bowl. How exciting! So first of all, you're going to take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, or maybe put a little bit more. Then you're going to heat this up until it melts, because now it's a little bit hard. Then once that's all melted, add a tablespoon of castor oil, then just 10 drops of neem oil, and last but not least, egg white. And then you're done these. Okay guys, then you are literally going to put the shit in your hair. So just along the parting in your roots, and you're just going to do that the whole way. I am by absolutely no means going to make you endure watch me doing this entire procedure. So start with your roots. Also, this is completely skewed, but do we care now? So once you've done your roots, give you a little scalp massage, and then you need to get it through the rest of your hair, which can be a bit of a ball ache, especially when you have long hair like mine. But let me assure you, it is worth the drama. So guys, as soon as you've managed to get it through your whole hair, then tied up so the roots are now on the side, looking especially sexy. But there's a reason for this. Guys, also wear a top that you're not actually that bothered about getting a little bit of oil, although I mean you could just wash it afterwards, but just a little piece of advice, human beings. Okay, then last but not least, I'm just going to take a little bit of argan oil, and I'm going to smash it onto the ends of my hair. Now guys, I've not been to a hairdresser since July 2019. So that is why the state of my ends is absolutely amazing. But I'm also not that bothered. I also dye my own hair. And to be honest, my hair's in quite good nick. I'll obviously take a little photo of how amazing your hair will look like after doing this. So guys, leave this on for 30 to 40 minutes. I then do, while I've got this going on, then do a face mask, which there will be another video about. How exciting. So guys, this is the end result. Honestly, I have not had my hair cut since July 2019, not a word of a lie, and I've just blow dried it. There's no styling products, nothing. So I cannot recommend this hair mask enough. I mean, I wish that you could just run your fingers through the softness. I'm just going to awkwardly do it for a very long time, and I'm joking. But guys, so try it. I think it really has completely changed my hair. And as I said, I have not been to get my hair cut since July 2019. There are some split ends, but I mean, it does not look bad. So what are you going to lose? Try it. Hope it works. Leave some comments below. And wishing you all a great, lovely, wonderful apocalypse. Keep safe.